Hello everyone, today our focus is on the two past tense verb forms of the verb to be, the be verb. Yes, was and were. We have two forms. Why? One is always used with the singular subjects. Was is always used with the singular subjects and were is always used with all the plural subjects. Let's see how. I, he, she, it and Mary. With all these singular subjects, we use was. This time you don't have a special verb for I. Unlike in simple present tense where you use I am, where you say I am, there you have a special verb to go with I. But in this case, in the past tense, you don't have a special verb for I. Here you are using was with all the singular subjects, and with all the plural subjects you are using were. So let's categorize. Was is used with singular subjects and were with plural subjects. I was tired, he was tired, she was tired, it was tired, Mary was tired. We were tired, you were tired, they were tired, the men were tired. So with all the plural subjects you use were. Right. We will take a look at few examples and we will see how these things are practically used in our conversations. First sentence, here you get the subject. It is a singular subject. So I want you to fill in the blanks with me. Shall we try? My mother. It is a singular subject. So what do you choose? Yes. Between the two verbs you have, was and were, you will have to choose the singular verb. Why? Your subject is singular. Remember, all the time when you are choosing a suitable verb, you need to look at the subject first. The subject of your sentence. You know, the subject of your sentence is the doer of your sentence. In all these cases, we will have to look at the subject first and then decide and choose what is the suitable verb there. Right. My mother. So, you know the answer. My mother was not well yesterday. Number 2. I asleep at 4 o'clock this morning. Yes, I was asleep at 4 o'clock this morning. Number 3. The museum opened last Monday. Yes, the museum was open last Monday. I want you to notice something here. In all these sentences, you will come across certain clue words which hint you about the time. Right? As I told you, this is all about the past time. We are talking about the past time. Now, if you take a look at a timeline, this is the point we are right now, right? This is the present continuous time, just now, at the time of speaking. And the past time or the past tense indicates the time before that. Therefore, in all these sentences you will find that we are talking about the past time, and that is why we use the past tense be verb forms was and were. So, what are these clue words? Yes, yesterday. In this case, in the first sentence you find the word yesterday. In sentence number 2 you find another clue word. Yes, this morning. It's already gone. It's done. This morning. I was asleep at 4 o'clock this morning. Right? So, it is in the past tense. Number 3, the museum was open last Monday. Again, the clue word is last Monday. Right? So, now in all these cases, we are talking about either yesterday, the day before yesterday, last Sunday, last Monday, last year, right? Last month, last week. It's all about the past time. Let's take a look at another example. She blank in India last year. Yes, now you know the answer. She was in India last year. Again, you have another clue word, last year. Number 5. The book was on your table last night. Ronnie and Kelly good friends until yesterday. Now take a look at the subject here. Your subject has two persons, right? Ronnie and Kelly. So now you know that it is plural. So you are going to choose the plural verb. Ronnie and Kelly were good friends until yesterday. Right, very easy. Next one, the children, plural. The children were at the playground yesterday. The clue word. They, again plural. They were at the office last Saturday. The clue word. The principal was at the hospital yesterday. It is the clue word. The principal is singular, so you use was. They, plural, they were not happy, so they returned home. And there is another clue word here. This time it is a verb. What is it? Returned. So in this sentence you can see that we have used a past tense action verb. Returned. We came back, right? Which means it is done. A finished activity. Therefore, we know that we are talking about the past time. Therefore, we are using the past tense be verb, right? They were not happy, so they returned home. I think that was a very easy lesson. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you like the video, subscribe and press the like button.